Foxbody guys will know what was back here.
Yeah, there was quite a bit of damage.
Still going way too fast for me. I can't capture it all, but back here, the Foxbody guys will know what was back here, but the majority of us won't, like myself. I'd probably walk up to this thing and never even know that.
Wouldn't even know, yeah.
So he cut out this gas door. It was pretty beat up. You can see how beat up it was on the back there.
Yeah, there was quite a bit of damage. This whole back corner was pretty beat up.
Yeah, you can kind of even see in the video how the body's all beat up around your patch panel.
Yeah, and then this was rotted out from...
Yeah, there's no reason to try and fix
stuff,
that.
And this is, you know, somebody had tried to repair this, but they just paved over it with a bunch of filler.
They didn't have the K-Dub skills.
So
this would be the kind of thing where you wouldn't even see it. We just saw it because we had the body blasted.
We had it blasted. Yeah, you would have only been able to tell really if they did a really bad job. You'd be able to tell, or of course, taking all the material back down to the bare metal.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. So that's the part of the body line we were talking about probably in episode 1 or 2 where you made that die for the pull max.
Yeah.
And you were able to run that.
It turned out super handy.
Yeah. So you're able to run that flat piece through the pull max and get that body die, or I guess body line, right? Get that body line nice and tight. Replicate the stock body line perfectly.
Yeah, and just crisped it up a little bit.
Yeah, and you can see when you look at this, well, this one's so beat up you really can't tell, but you can kind of see where the top edge here is a little bit more soft. I like the crispy edge there.
Yeah, it really cleans it up quite a bit.
So what are we going to do? Probably just, I know the tank that we're getting from Rick, we've got a center fill neck on that thing. Where do you kind of got a preliminary game plan in place?
Yeah, kind of. The game plan I have is wing it a little bit, but
because all this stuff is kind of always fluid, right? I mean, until we get to it.
Yeah. So the plan so far is the filler cap will be flushed in right here. Yeah. And then you'll just fold the plate down, and it'll be right there, and then do a real nice something in here, of course, obviously to make it down to the tank. Yeah. And then I'm sure once upholstery comes in, they'll probably do some kind of nice panel so you won't see it. Yeah.
These are the OG taillights. I kind of like this style.
Yeah. Yeah, they're not bad.
Kind of one of the things we were talking about yesterday was these body line gaps here. The fitment. Yes. There's a lot of space in there. We don't quite know. Yeah. I mean, we don't have the bottom bolt tightened up on there.
Yeah, that one. So this one, on this side, I kind of corrected that when I was fixing this. When I was fixing this, so you can.
So we're tightening up the fit. Oh yeah. Oh, hold on. Yeah, you can see a huge difference there. Yeah, so that's one of those little things that you would never notice, really. I mean, if you're just a casual observer, right? Yeah. But since you had the ability to come in here and mess with this corner, you were able to make the fitment tighter. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's nice being able to go in and tweak little things like that. And
where did that panel go there? All right. Let's just like hold it up there and we'll. So it went from that to your patch panel. Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
And now I'll have to go in there and finish this off real nice, and hopefully it looks like that's how it was made.